Hi there, Paul here, and thanks for checking out this product review video. Now, before we get started, if you would like to be coached by 3 well-known and successful internet marketers who will help you build your online business up to 10k per month, then click on the link below, and the first link below in the description, and check it out. Okay, now you can grab this product from the second link in the description below at any point during this video. And when you do, I'm going to give you my 4 awesome bonuses. Bonus number 1, I'll give you free access to List Prodigy, which will show you how to build a massive list in the minimum amount of time. I'll also give you access to AI Prodigy, which will show you how to create YouTube videos with the help of AI without having to show your face on camera. Bonus 3, I'll give you access to the 3-step success club, which will show you step by step how to build a successful online business. And this January did sell for $497 in the past, so massive value. And bonus number 4, I'll give you access to Mid-Year Madness, which will give you access to 30 plus products which you can use for your own benefit, and also it comes with 100% reseller rights, so you can sell these products as your own and get 100% commissions throughout all of the funnels. So you can receive these free bonuses when you click the second link below, and which will take you to the bonus page where you'll see a list of the bonuses, and you can also obviously click through to the sales page, and these bonuses will be delivered to you automatically inside Warrior Plus or JVZoo when you grab this product. So let's get started with the review.
If you thought ChatGPT was smart, then what I'm about to show you will blow your socks off. What if you could have your own dedicated, human-like AI virtual assistant that's 16 times smarter than ChatGPT? Yes, that's right, 16 times smarter than ChatGPT. 6 times faster at creating websites, funnels, voiceovers, videos, contents, graphics, ebooks, ad copies, business plans, blogs, high-converting ads, audios, chatbots, art images, translation, and more. Would that interest you? The good news is, you can finally access something 16 times more powerful than ChatGPT. We took AI from the biggest tech companies in the world, Google, Amazon, and Microsoft. And we fused their power together to be even smarter, exactly 16 times smarter than ChatGPT. And unlike ChatGPT, AI Assist uses information from real time. ChatGPT is trained on outdated information from 2021. Our revolutionary AI virtual assistant isn't just a tool, it's your gateway to building and automating your business without hiring staff or paying huge fees. Meet AI Assist, your human-like AI virtual assistant. AI Assist is the world's first human-like AI virtual assistant that completes all your marketing tasks and builds real business in few clicks. AI Assist is 6 times faster at creating websites, funnels, voiceovers, videos, contents, graphics, ebooks, ad copies, business plans, blogs, high-converting ads, audios, chatbots, art images, translation, and more. Ask AI Assist anything, and get your marketing tasks completed in 5 seconds flats. No disappointment. Work 24/7, 365 days. Never waste money on freelancers, contractors, or ineffective employees again. AI Assist can speak 200 different languages, write code in any programming language, create sleek-looking websites, generate SEO-friendly content that quickly ranks on Google. And that's just 0.1% of what it can do. We are really scratching the surface. Because AI Assist is so powerful, you can even create your own cryptocurrency with it. Yes, just imagine that for a second. Having your own cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, or Dogecoin. That just shows how powerful AI Assist is. Aside using AI Assist to start your own online business, here are a few ways you could start making money. You could go on sites like Upwork and charge thousands of dollars for high-quality software and web apps, and use AI Assist to develop them. You could also charge people thousands of dollars to debug or write new code, without knowing anything about coding. Just let AI Assist do all the work for you. Another way to make money would be to provide local businesses with websites designed by AI Assist and charge them $2,000 to $3,000. Or, you can build an affiliate review site and receive commissions from platforms like Warrior Plus, JVZoo, ClickBank, and Amazon. Really, the possibilities here are endless. When you get your hands on AI Assist, you'll join hundreds of our users, who are profiting by offering various services to people and businesses. That's because AI Assist can handle any tedious, difficult task you throw at it. Here's how easy it is to get started. Finally, get all your landing pages, funnels, videos, ads, marketing copy, graphics, email swipes, voiceovers, blog post, articles, art and more, done in 60 seconds by AI. You're just 3 steps away from having your own dedicated, human-like AI virtual assistant that automate your business tasks and work for you 24/7, 365 days. Step 1. Look below this video, and click the yellow button to get a copy of AI Assist. Do this now to get AI Assist while it's still available for a one-time price. The monthly pricing will kick in soon, so don't miss out. Step 2. When you're inside of AI Assist, ask it anything using voice command or text. For example, if you want AI Assist to create a sales funnel, tell it specifically what you're looking for. The more detailed, the better. And step 3. Hit the enter button, and you'll receive an instant, lightning-fast response from AI Assist. That's it. In less than 1 minute, AI Assist can effortlessly complete hundreds of marketing tasks for you and your clients, without any additional cost. Tasks like logo and graphics creation, email marketing, copywriting, create ebooks and courses, create funnels and landing pages, website design, creating web and mobile apps, social media marketing, VSL and webinar script writing, generate audio and voiceovers, transcribe audio or video, create business plans, create video, create to-do list and customer service. Think there's more to it? There isn't. Yes, it really is as simple as that. If you can do something as simple as turning on a light switch, or popping a meal in the microwave, you can use AI Assist. That's because the AI behind the curtains uses technology developed by Microsoft, Amazon, and Google, the biggest tech companies in the world. And here's where this is really light years ahead of ChatGPT. You see, the problem with ChatGPT is the data it's trained on is from 2021, but not AI Assist. AI Assist uses real-time data, so you aren't getting any outdated info, unlike ChatGPT. And another problem with ChatGPT is that they're well known to have frequent outages. I mean, if you've ever used ChatGPT before, you've definitely seen that ChatGPT is at capacity, page before, right? And the only way to bypass this is to pay ChatGPT hundreds of dollars a year. But AI Assist is better than ChatGPT, and it costs just a one-time investment, which will quickly pay for itself, considering the various services you can provide to people, like content creation, social media management, website design, programming. The sky's the limit here. Now, don't wait any longer to get your hands on AI Assist, because although we aren't charging a monthly fee yet, that will change. In order to support our server costs, we will be forced to take this action, so no, this isn't any fake scarcity thrown at you to get you to buy quicker. Time is running out, and if you come back later to buy, there's a good chance you'll be paying a monthly fee. Why do that when you could have taken action earlier, and gotten access for a one-time price? Remember, there isn't anything else out there that exists. No other app has fused together the power of both Google and Microsoft's already powerful AI into something even smarter than ChatGPT. AI Assist is the only tool that can pull this off. And it will save you thousands of dollars, countless headaches, and infinite hours of work by doing all your tasks for you. Whether you're a content marketer, video marketer, copywriter, offline marketer, local business owner, email list builder, or really anyone who's doing online marketing, AI Assist will make your life a whole lot easier. And if all these features weren't enough to get you off the fence, I'm going to make this a complete no-brainer for you. I'm going to give you a full 180 days to test out AI Assist, risk-free. If you don't like AI Assist for even the silliest reason, come to us and we'll refund 100% of your money, with zero hassles. That means, there is absolutely zero way for you to lose here. All of the risk is on our shoulders. So what are you waiting for? It's impossible for you to fail here. But do know, time is running out, and it's only a matter of time till the monthly pricing kicks in. Click the button below right now to get AI Assist while it's still available for a low, one-time price. I can't wait to see you inside.